Achieve today to excel tomorrow. Our achievement today is going to be dividing fractions and mixed numbers. Pretty much the same as what we learned yesterday in multiplying mixed numbers, except we have one very important thing we have to do first. Flip the second number. So we're always going to turn upside down, flip, invert the second number, and then we'll do top times top and bottom times bottom. Well, wait a minute, Mr. Jordan, we're supposed to be dividing, not multiplying. This is the way to divide fractions and mixed numbers. Flip the second one and then multiply, top, top, bottom, bottom. So you're really not dividing. Let's look at an example. 2/3 divided by 3/7. That would be the same as 2/3 times 7/3. We're inverting or flipping the second number. Now it's top times top, bottom times bottom, and reduce it. That would be our answer, 1 5/9. Works the same way. We need fractions here just like yesterday. 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3/2. Divided by 1 times 4 plus 1 is 5/4. Now remember, all we've done is make these improper fractions. We've not done the important step. We've got to flip the second number. This is 3/2 times 4/5. We flip the second number. Okay, after we made it an improper fraction. We can't really flip it here, it's a mixed number. So we make it an improper fraction, then we flip it. Now it's top times top, bottom times bottom, 1 2/10, 1 1/5. Final answer. Whole numbers. Yesterday we said 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7/3, and we just put 3 over 1. Remember any whole number over 1? Same thing today, but we've got to flip it now. This is 7/3 times, flip the whole number, 1/3. Top, top, bottom, bottom. That can't be reduced. What if our whole number's in the first? Still over 1. 4 over 1 divided by 2/3. That means we've got to flip the second number, 4 over 1 times 3/2. Now we can top, top, bottom, bottom. Our answer is 6. Final answer is 6. Okay, so important factor today is remembering, flip the second one. The mistake you'll make is you'll make them improper fractions, and then you'll just multiply. Don't forget, you've got to flip the second one. One last note. Yesterday, when we were multiplying fractions and mixed numbers, we learned how to do some cross-reducing. You're probably thinking, will that work today, Mr. Jordan? Well, it will, but there's kind of an important thing you need to remember, and I almost wouldn't use cross-reducing today because it really gets a little more confusing than it can be. It's probably better to just top, top, bottom, bottom, and reduce. But we'll look at it real quick. You may only cross-reduce after you flip the second number. So if I had 5/6 divided by 15/30, and let's say I reduced first, I cross-reduced 5, we're going to 5 once into 36 times, and then I flipped it, I had 1/2 and 5/6, so then I flipped my numbers, my answer would be 3/5. That's incorrect. I've got to do 5/6 and flip the second number first, 30/15. Once it's flipped and I'm multiplying, then I can cross-reduce. This is cross-reducing division. We can only cross-reduce in multiplication. So once we flip it, then we can cross-reduce, and our answer is 1 2/3. So you can see you would get a different answer if you cross-reduced before you flipped than you would after you flipped. And after you flipped would be the correct answer. So if you're really into cross-reducing and you like it, and you understand it, just remember on dividing, you may only cross-reduce after you flip the second number and make it a multiplication problem. Okay? So, basic rule, flip second number, then top times top, bottom times bottom, and reduce. Let's achieve today to excel tomorrow.